Hi folks, how are you all doing today? So it's time for us to learn about how to draw a circle, right? I'll just show you, I'll demonstrate the logic of how you can draw a circle using your sprite and pen extension. So we've already discussed about pen extension in our previous sessions, but by the way, we haven't discussed on how to draw a circle. So we're gonna do that today. Okay, let's quickly do that. I'm just deleting this and let's just choose a backdrop. A good backdrop would work. Maybe I think I'm just gonna choose this blue sky. And you can choose any sprite you want to, and let's just go here and see which sprite would actually do the task for me. I think I would get a beach ball. This looks colorful for me, and or maybe let's check out ones which we can use. I I think that beach ball would work for me. Right, let's use that. I think let's not waste time on selecting things. Yeah, I'm gonna get the beach ball. And costumes, you only have a one costume on the ball. Okay, so we need pen extension to do this. So I'm gonna add pen extension. I hope you will remember this. If you don't remember, let me just remind you of what it is. So beach ball, sorry, pen extension is one of the extensions we can use in Scratch, where you can draw with your sprites with pen extension, right? So you have these multiple blocks in pen extension where you can use all of these to make your sprite draw something for you. Okay, so I'm just going to place my ball over here and I'm just wanting it to draw a circle all around here, right? Let's see how we can do that. It's a very simple process, and I'm gonna give you a logic of doing this. So let's go to events, and when green flag clicked, right, we would want to do something. So basically, I want to do it forever. So I'm just gonna get forever, and then we also have to do some basic setup. So basically, whenever you click on green flag, it has to erase everything on the screen, whatever it has been drawing. And we have to put pen down. You can set a pen color, or you can change pen color by 10 shades each time whenever you execute it, right? And you also can give some pen size. So I'm setting pen size to 15 for now. Okay, let's see how does this work. If you want it lesser, you can make it less. If you want more, you can make it more. Okay, so yeah, we have done the basic setup, basically erasing everything, putting the pen down to draw something, changing the pen color each time when you click on green flag. So change pen color by 10 and set pen size to 15 would actually set the width of the line to 15. Okay, so forever I want to do something, right? What exactly we are going to do? First, you will have to point in direction 90. Okay, so initially you would start with point in direction 90, and you are at some position. So this position we always have to start off with, right? After setting the position, I think I will erase all. If not, I will show you what happens with this and then I will change it. Okay. So, and then we just have to move, right? So I'm just going to take move some 10 steps or so and turn right by some degrees. Let's see what happens with this, right? I'm just expecting it to move, turn, move, turn, move, turn, move, turn. So it would actually draw a circle, right? Because we're doing this forever, isn't it? I'm just expecting this to happen. Let's see what happens. Okay. So I'm just going to click on this. Yes, it is actually drawing a circle, right? But it's too small. So I would just like to stop it and I will click on it again to show you the how the color changes. But you can see that it is actually drawing this extra line here because it actually has to go to that position and then start, right? I will do something. I will increase the number of steps. let's say 20 steps. Let's see what happens with this. Oh yeah. So it is actually increasing the thing, right? I'll stop it and run it again. You can see this extra line here, right? That's because we are starting it, we are stopping it abruptly, and we are starting it off somewhere. See this thing, right? So it is actually taking some time to go from here to here till here, and while it is moving, it is drawing the line, and we don't want this to happen, correct? So I'm just getting erase all and place it down here. Oh, after setting the position, we'll place erase all. Cool. Let's now do it, right? I'm just stopping it now, and I will start it again. I'll start it again. See how many ever times I'm starting it, it is actually doing the task from there, and it erases all whatever is the previous drawing, and then it starts drawing the new thing, right? So this is cool, but I think we want a bigger circle than this. I'm just pointing this direction 0 so that it can draw like towards top, right? And this is okay, but I still want a bigger circle to be drawn. So in that case, you just have to decrease the angle, okay? Let me show you with 10 degrees. So the smaller the angle is, the bigger the circle would become, okay? Yes. Okay. So cool. This is absolutely perfect in terms of the background and this thing. Maybe I'll just decrease the angle by 1 degree and see what happens. Maybe it becomes more perfect for this. Cool. Yes, this is actually doing things well. Right. And let's increase the number of steps and see what happens. So I'm just saying 25 this time. Cool. It is doing the thing. It is doing the thing. But I think I'll just change the position towards left a little bit to make it go in the center, right? And I just want to stop it. Okay, wherever it just, cool. I can't do anything. I'll just do this. I'll remove this. I'll get this thing. Cool. Let's see what happens now. Start it off. Oh, yeah. It's doing the thing, but I think it still has some gap here. I'll stop it, make it go here, change the go to XY, and then start it off again. Cool. I think you have the same amount of gap on both sides now. And I'll just change the Y value to 0. Let's stop it and run it again. Oh, I think we have to go make it down, make it go down. Basically, like -7. Okay. Let's say -10. I think that would work. So we have some gap here, we have some gap here. I think we can change it to -12. Let's stop and do it again. Cool. So you have the same amount of gap here, same amount of gap here, right? Yeah, this is something which is actually working out. Okay. So yeah, this is how you can draw a circle, right? And your ball is moving in the same way again and again, again and again, and it's so cool to look at, right? That's so cool. And let's say you want to add another sprite wherein it rotates in the inner circle maybe. Let's quickly do that too. Okay, you just have to duplicate it. Okay, and then I think I will change the position of this thing, like the x value I will just make it as -60 for now, and then we have to decrease the number of steps. I'll decrease it to 15. Stop it and run it again. Cool. It's doing the thing. Let's just decrease the size to 50. And I'm decreasing the size of this to 80. Cool. It's doing the thing, but still, like you can see, it has a small gap here and a big gap here, and I want to fill that gap by just moving it here. So it's minus 96 now. So let's say minus 96. Let's check what happens. Yes, it's doing the thing. So let's say minus 98 and check what happens. Uh-oh. Maybe minus 94. Yeah, it's doing the thing properly. I like it. It has a path now and it's absolutely doing this well, right? And if you want another inner circle, I'm just getting greedy, I feel like. But this looks like a pattern, isn't it? I like it. Let's do it, okay? Let's just decrease the size to maybe 30. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I think 30 works out, but the thickness of the line definitely doesn't work out. So I'm gonna change this to 5 most probably, and I'm gonna change this to 10. And yeah, I'll change the position. So position, I think I'll set it over here. It's minus 47. So let's check it out. Okay. Maybe 10 steps each time. I'll stop it and run it again. Oh yeah, cool. That's the thing. But I think I'll just decrease the size angle a little bit more. Stop. Uh-uh. We have to increase the thing, right? So it's 12. Cool. This is working out. This is working out. Cool. The three are not moving in the same same pace because we have turned thing bigger, right? So that's the reason. They both are doing it in the same way, but this is not doing it in the same way just because of the angle. We have changed the angle. Let's try with the same angle once and then see what happens, right? So turn right by 9 degrees. I'm just gonna do the same here, 9 degrees, and let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it's just doing a bigger circle, that's it. Maybe if you increase it more, then like 13 steps. Oh, we decrease it then, 8 steps. Oh, cool. This is also fine. And now all three balls are moving in the same line. I like this. I like it. Can you see it is just forming a pattern and I really like it. I really, really like this. It's something cool. So you can actually do however you want to and you can make a cool pattern and I like this pattern. And I like the pace of the balls. All balls are actually starting off from the same position and also they're just moving in the same pace and yeah it looks so cool to look at, right? And it is also creating an illusion, so I'm just getting lost into it. So yeah, this is about it. Okay, I hope you like this session wherein you've just created a small pattern, right? And this is all about our today's session. Actually, I'm getting lost into the illusion, so so that's the reason I've just stopped it. Okay, this is about it, and I will be meeting you all guys in the next session. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, folks. Bye bye, guys. I'll be giving you this link in the description below. Check it out and do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, and have a great day, all.